today's video, I'm going to tell you 3 things you absolutely need to know before you even consider purchasing these knives. I've tested these. I'm going to go answer every single question you could have. We're going to cut some stuff up so you can see everything. This does come in this knife block set right over here. We'll run through exactly what you get, and it does come in this nice giftable box here. So if you wanted to gift this to someone, this would be great. I have some notes over there as well. So let's kind of take a closer look. So we're gonna get this chef knife right over here. Really nice and sharp. The block has a built-in sharpener, which is a really nice touch. I've had a lot of chef knives in my day. So this is an 8-inch chef knife. We got a bread knife right over here. Nice serrated. You don't really see these that much anymore. A lot of the times those bread knives kind of serrated. We got this knife right over here. This is gonna be your 5-inch utility knife. We got a paring knife right over here, which is going to be 3 inches. And then this guy right over here is gonna be our slicing knife that is 8 inches as well. And we're also going to get with this right over here, we're going to get steak knives. So these steak knives right over here, you got this nice serrated edge over here. You don't really see a lot of the serrated edges as well either. A lot of the times they just kind of are stainless steel. So it's nice to see a traditional one, and it does make a difference. I actually prefer using this when eating steak, just because it's just nicer and easier to cut than a blade like that. Now, you also get these kitchen shears right over here. Really nice rubbery grip right over here, easy to hold. These things are really, really nice. I like the fact right over here that they are kind of like bolted together. We have another pair of scissors that like you could put them in together and they always fall apart and it's super annoying. You're not gonna have to worry about that with this block right over here. Now, this is a wooden block as well. On the bottom here, a nice little built-in feature right over there are little holes. So if you put your knife back wet, which I do not recommend, it could kind of drain out the bottom and you don't have to worry about that. Now, let's kind of get into some of the cutting right over here. Each knife is gonna come wrapped like this. So this knife was in here like that, and there will be a plastic tip on this so you don't have to worry about anything. I thought that was nice that each one's individually wrapped. Now, before we get cutting right over here, these are super comfortable to hold. Like you could put your hand right in there. They're not uncomfortable at all. You actually have a really nice base right over here. These are easy to use. They are dishwasher safe as well. We don't put them in the dishwasher. You can. I don't know, my dad was a chef. We never put any knives in the dishwasher. That's just how it goes. And that's what I do now. But you could do that if you wanted to do these with that. I haven't tested that, so there is that. We're gonna go with the chef knife right over here. We're gonna take this out really, really nice. So you'll see right over here, we got a potato and it just slices, like hardly any pressure. Absolutely very, very nice. I actually really like this one a lot for that. And even if you have something smaller like this, usually when you have like a knife that's not sharp at all, when you do get a carrot like this, it usually goes all over the place. Like you're going down like this and the carrot shoots off. But since this knife is extremely sharp, you don't really run into that issue. Now, when you kind of are using this too, you can kind of wipe it dry just like this, and you're kind of like good to go again if you wanted to do that. In terms of sharpening the knife, you'll see right over here, this is where the built-in sharpener is. So you could literally just put your knife just like that. If you wanted to sharpen it, we've had these for about a month now and have not had to need to sharpen them. That's kind of, I don't know. I think that's a good sign right over there. Again, these are super easy to wash. I'm just gonna go wash this real quick so you can see how it goes. I just put that in the sink just like that. And then when you wipe this dry just like that, you are kind of good to go. And you have your knife right over here. It's not really streaky at all, which I really like, because sometimes the knives just look like kind of gross and they get like water damage and stuff like that. So you don't have to worry about that. These are stainless steel blades. They're dishwasher safe. You got the ergonomic handles. You really can't go wrong with either one of these. So if you are looking for a great set of knives, that basically has it all. You have all your main knives here. It's 14-piece set, wooden block. This does come in a different color, I'm pretty sure. So you could do that. You have these nice little things down here. If you put your knife away wet, the water will drain out, so you don't have to worry about that. Super sharp, has the built-in sharpener. You really can't go wrong with this set of knives. It comes packed perfectly. These knives will be in a separate white box. They'll all be wrapped up. This block right here will be in another box. They just do a really nice job. It's high end, so if you wanted to gift this, totally do it. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up, and I hope you find the right kitchen knives for you.